students. Today it is lesson 7 on chapter 5 class 9 biology. Today we are going to discuss about two very important cell organelles. One is Golgi apparatus, another is mitochondria. Here is the diagram to show you their position. The Golgi apparatus remain near the nucleus in animal cell. Animal cell they are mostly present. In plant cell they are present in a scattered form. In a scattered form as they are present, that's why in plant cell they are known as dictyosomes. From the cell in ultra microscope, how do they look? It is the diagram of Golgi apparatus. It is the ultra structure. You can see it is having two faces. One is called cis face, it is a convex one. Another is called trans face, which is a concave one. Golgi apparatus was discovered by famous scientist Camillo Golgi. About Camillo Golgi, there is a description in your NCERT textbook. From there you must have read that Camillo Golgi got the Nobel Prize for his work on nerve cells, and he discovered this Golgi apparatus also. And he discovered a very special staining process that is called black reaction. Now about the Golgi apparatus, you can see here Golgi apparatus is mainly made up of three types of structures: cisternae, tubule and vesicle. Cisternae are tubular sac-like structure filled with different biomolecules and materials. From the cisternae, gradually they form vesicle-like structures, and vesicles are pinched off in the form of small structures here. They actually package different types of materials like proteins and lipids, and different materials are transported and packaged here and pinched off from the Golgi apparatus to go to their places. As I told earlier that in plant cell they are scattered form, they are present, they are called dictyosomes. Golgi apparatus originate from the area, that's why their position is near the nucleus. What are the functions of Golgi apparatus? They helps in membrane biogenesis process because they enclose the materials which are required for cell membrane. They help in formation of lysosome. They are the very important organ for secretion and excretion. Different types of materials like enzymes, hormones which are secreted by the cells, they are actually packaged in the Golgi apparatus. They also helps in storage, modification and packaging of the materials. They helps in formation of some complex and special sugar also. They help in formation of acrosome of sperm and yolk of egg. For different types of biomolecules they are producing as well as they are packaging. That's why they are sometimes known as post office of the cell, and they redirect the materials. That's why they are called traffic control of the cell or courier service of the cell. Now another organelle we are going to discuss, that is called mitochondria. Mitochondria is present in all the cells, plant cell, animal cells, and it was discovered by Benda. Mitochondria is present throughout the cell, and they are known as the powerhouse or energy center of the cell. Under electron microscope, each mitochondria looks like this. This is saucer-shaped or a slipper-shaped structure they have. They are double membrane structure. They are having an outer membrane and inner membrane. The inner membrane is forming this finger-like projections inside, which are called cristae. They are also called semi-autonomous organelle. Why they are called semi-autonomous organelle? Because they are having their own DNA, they are having their own ribosomes. That's why they can manufacture their proteins and enzymes inside, and they can replicate also. That's why they are called semi-autonomous organelle. Inside the mitochondria, they are having mitochondrial matrix, and one portion of the crista, one singular is crista, that is shown here. Here you can see this stick-like structure ended with ball-ended structures are here. These structures are known as F1 bodies. This is a single crystal, and these F1 bodies are also known as oxysomes or elementary particles. They contain different enzymes responsible for the aerobic respiration. Actually, Krebs cycle of aerobic respiration occurs in the mitochondria. Why they are called power center or energy center of the cell? You know about the function of a power center. They produce power or energy, and they also store it. Like mitochondria is the site for aerobic respiration. That means they produce power. That's why they are called powerhouse or energy center of the cell. And they also store power or energy in the form of ATP. What is ATP? ATP means adenosine triphosphate. ATPs are called energy currency of the cell. That is why mitochondria are called energy center or powerhouse of the cell.